Hi everyone! It's been a while and I have been working and crafting little by little, but it's summertime, so I really like to enjoy being outside and traveling and things like that. So I do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I do have 6 journals here in the works, and like I said, in the works, because they're not finished by all means, but they are started, and I have the ideas in my mind what I want them to look like. So I was just gonna pop on a little bit and show you what I've been working on. And so I did a whole bunch of fussy cutting of some children's book pages that I plan to use in probably a lot of these journals. So I was just going to, like, a lot of these are out of, like readers, but like here's, word books, dictionary books. But I just sat and did a whole bunch of fussy cutting and just, just random things. Actually, it's pretty much like one whole entire book that I fussy cut all these out while I was traveling. And look at that little girl. So I was just cutting away and finding things that look neat. Like this is from a greeting card. Just all kinds of things that I was working on. So I got a whole like folder here just full. So I will be making tags and decorating pages and things like that with all of these. This page, this Farmer Pig page, I will show you. So this journal, so I excuse me, I have a variety of different styles and themes of journals. So this journal here, this journal here is going to be kind of like a farm journal, and then this is a book page from a children's book, and so this is going to be a soft, kind of soft spine, and this is made from a Happy Day book. And I've got all the pages picked out, things like that. So, but I just haven't sewn them in. I haven't did any of the decorating of the pages. But this one is a smaller journal. This one's kind of going to be, this one's going to be, well, with a lace on it. It's, whoops, it's going to be right around like 8 by, like an 8 by 6-ish journal. So this one's really cute with the country checkered fabric. But I thought this book page, I'm going to cut these out and either do like a waterfall in it or do cards. But this is from the Richard Scarry books. But so that's this one. This one's going to be fun. This is going to be, like I said, farm related. And then I have, oops, guess make some room on my desk here. And then this one here, this is the heaviest, thickest journal out of all of them. So, for instance, the farm journal, it's made out of a Happy Day book, so, it's a thinner style book cover. Oops. This one is made from a very heavy, and you can see by the thickness here, this is made with a very heavy book cover. And then the spine I made out of a game board that was the same thickness, so it's the same all the way around. But this is one heavy duty, very thick journal this one will be. And this is all fabric. And then I did, this is it's from a little golden book, and I just love the little girl picture in the front. And I decided to use that. This one I did like all of my upholstery tabs. I did sew this in last night, and so it is really fun. But I'm not finished yet, obviously. This is the only one that's nearest the finish, but it is not by far. So I have this one, and this one is a bigger of the journals. And so this one's going to be right around 10.5 by, this one's going to be like 10.5 by 7-ish. So this was really cute journal, really heavy duty if you like, you know, if you don't like flimsy journals, this one is really cool. It's all fabric covered. Again, I'm not done at all, but this one was really fun to make. And so I'll have that one coming up. And then the next one will be this one. This is made from a vintage encyclopedia book, and you can probably see the green here. I liked keeping this. I have not, you know, again, I'm just in the process of making the journals. I haven't done anything else yet, but just put the covers together and picked the book pages. But this one is, I believe this is Rumpelstiltskin book page image. And then I kept all of the original end papers in here. And then, so this one's going to be more of like a nursery rhyme theme. And so I have all of my signatures chosen for this one. And really cute. Real cute book pages in here that I picked out. Really cute. So that is that one, and this one's just like a normal book thickness, but it's a hardcover with a hardcover spine. And this one is used with a game board also, matching the same thickness of the book. This one is going to be 10 by 7. So this one's going to be a nice one, kind of sticking with the blue theme. I love the butterflies. I love this fabric. And then the flowers here in her blue dress. So this is kind of, you know, kind of focused on like blue colored pages on this one. Excuse me. So there's that one. This one is Awake and Away. This is a children's reader. This is the farthest I've gotten with this one. This one will be a ring binder. And it will go here. And then this will be a ring binder. Goodness, I have a dry throat this morning. And this nice bright orange vintage fabric that I have for the cover. And I love the back of this. So this is all the farther I have gotten with this one. So that will be that one, and that one will be, where do I just put my tape measure? Oh, here it is. This one's going to be smaller, obviously, but this one's going to be like 6, this one's going to be like a 6 by 9, so this is going to be a nice smaller size journal. Again, that's all I've gotten farther on that one. This one is the next one that I have done the farthest. This one, this one is really cute, and I'm working on this one. I sewed all the tabs in last night. These are all upholstery tabs. I just love them because they're, you know, different thickness and textures and stuff. And so this one is kind of all fall nature themed squirrels. And I used this vintage book, these book pages of a vintage flower book for the end papers. And so this one, I wanted to do fall themed. It's made from a green book. And then I made a thinner soft spine for it. And then it's got this picture of these two squirrels here in the oval. And it's all wrapped in fabric here on the sides and stuff. So, and then this is the original book. Back page, I haven't done anything with it yet. And I did put some satin ribbon for the tie. So this one's going to be really cute. And then I have picked all of my pages. And like I said, excuse me, last night I did all my sewing in it. And so this is going to be kind of like all fall themed. And I don't want to mess the pages up too much because I have them all set for binding. But this will be really cute. Very cute. This is all fall themed. And because I have all my pages set for binding. So this will be the next one. I will probably, like, as I finish them, because this one and this one will probably be done first, so I'll probably like list them as I get them done, because it's not going to be like I'm going to have them all done at the all same time. I just don't have the time for that right now. But so this one's going to be a very thick, very wide journal. And so this will be really fun. I love this. And I'll probably do some nameplate here and some other decorating. I mean, obviously, like, you know, I'm not done with the whole thing yet anyways, but this one's going to be like an 8.5 by 10-ish. So this one's going to be really fun. Nice fall themed. So there's that one. And then the last one is this one. It's Princesses on the Run. I love this book cover. I love the scallop down here at the bottom. Love the girls and the flowers and the pink. I just loved it all together, you know, in the castle. So, you know, I have to do a lot. I'm not even finished yet, like I said. This is just in the works. But I thought this one would be really cute. Pinky journal. And the end papers were beautiful here, so I left those. And I've chosen my all my papers. So this is going to be kind of princessy, you know. And I used some of the book pages from the book in here. So this will be kind of like all, you know, pinky colors and girly. You know, type pages in here. So this will be really fun and really cute. So I have all of my templates. I mean, like, it took me like one whole evening just to make all my templates and poke all my holes. So a little at a time. But anyways, so this will be really fun too. And this one will be, again, this is made out of a book cover, and then of course the spine. They're all made, they're all made with like game board that matches the book thickness. So this one's going to be like an 8.5 by 11-ish. So that's what I've been working on, and I just thought I'd pop on. It's been, you know, a while since, you know, I've, you know, been on, and I haven't been doing a whole lot of, you know, shopping, because I'm using what I have. You know, if I'm in a thrift store or something, I'm only buying, you know, what I really need. So anyways, so this is the set that I'm working on. I'm hoping to have them all finished by maybe like the end of September, because then I want to start working on the Christmas journals. But like I said, a couple of these will be, you know, finished. You know, as soon as I finish them, I will list them, but they're not going to be all at once. That's what I was trying to say. But it's probably going to be the fall one. The squirrel one will be fall one. Since it's fall themed, I want to get it done first. And then of course the this one here will be next, and then the farm journal is probably the next one that will be done. And then these two, the princess and the nursery rhyme one will probably, and then this will be the last one, because this is, I don't even have the papers picked out for this one yet. So this will for sure be the last one. And this very well could be, you know, well, they're all any time of the year, but except for the fall one. So anyways, that's what I was working on, and I just thought I'd pop on and give an update of what I'm doing, and hope everyone is well. And thank you so much for all the people who have subscribed and watch me, and I appreciate you very, very much. Thank you, and we will see you next time. All right, bye-bye.